Trying the can we switch trend on my sister's fiance.
Can we switch?
Switch.
We haven't switched. Why?
I'm sorry.
You really don't? For real? But you only have a little bit left. You'll switch? You really will?
Yeah.
Did you see his eyes?
Now what in the Game of Thrones is going on here? Like, it's one thing to test your partner. I still don't recommend it, but at least people can understand your need to carry out a level of discernment when picking a life partner somehow. But you're doing a test to see if your sister's fiance will bend the knee to you? What loyalty does he owe you? Don't get me wrong, he probably owes his fiance's sister basic kindness, human decency. But his mint chocolate? No way. That's not something you surrender to just some girl. And I've covered this before, but it's really weird to me when women feel not only entitled to men's things, but other women's men's things.